It starts small. You see a headline, AI can now do this job. You scroll past it. Then another, automation replacing workers. Then a video, software doing in seconds what used to take you hours. You laugh it off. Crazy how fast tech moves. But later that night, when everything is quiet, the question lands. What if I'm next? Not dramatically, not loudly, just a quiet thought that follows you home. It's not just about jobs. You tell yourself it's practical. I just need to upskill. I need to adapt. I need to stay competitive. You open a new tab, search for certifications, watch productivity videos. But underneath that ambition is something heavier. Because this isn't just fear of losing income, it's fear of losing relevance. In America, your job isn't just what you do, it's who you are. What do you do? It's the first question at every introduction, and you answer it like it defines you. So when AI threatens your work, it doesn't just threaten your paycheck, it threatens your identity. Who are you if what you do is no longer needed? Replaceable. Here's the part that stings. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't need health care. It doesn't take breaks. It doesn't call in sick. It doesn't negotiate salary. It doesn't burn out. And when you compare yourself to that, your brain doesn't see innovation. It sees danger. If a machine can do what I do, what makes me valuable? This is not technological fear. It's replaceability fear. And replaceability feels like rejection, like being quietly phased out, like watching your worth become optional. The American pressure. In the US, work equals worth. Productivity equals respect. Independence equals survival. There's no strong safety net that makes job loss feel casual. One layoff email can shift your entire life, so your nervous system stays alert. You scroll LinkedIn more. You update your resume just in case. You think about certifications at midnight when you should be sleeping. You don't just want to succeed, you want to stay needed. Because being needed feels safe. Because being needed feels secure. Because being needed feels like you matter. The comparison spiral. Then social media adds fuel. Learn AI now or fall behind. Replace AI before it replaces you. Adapt or disappear. You see 22-year-olds building AI startups. You see influencers saying traditional careers are dead. And suddenly it feels like the ground is shifting faster than you can move. Your brain interprets speed as threat. If the world moves too fast, you fear becoming obsolete. Not outdated, obsolete. Like yesterday's version of yourself no one updates anymore. The real psychological root. But here's the shadow truth. You are not afraid of AI. You are afraid of losing significance. Throughout history, humans feared replacement. By machines, by younger workers, by smarter competitors. But beneath it all is one quiet question. Do I still matter? Automation triggers existential anxiety, because if a machine can replicate your skills, you start questioning your uniqueness. And when uniqueness feels threatened, identity feels unstable. What AI can't replace. AI can process data. It can generate patterns. It can automate tasks. It can calculate faster than you ever will. But it cannot replicate your lived experience, your emotional intelligence, your judgment shaped by failure, your intuition built through mistakes, your ability to read a room, your capacity to care. Skills evolve. Human depth doesn't disappear. The future doesn't reward sameness. It rewards adaptability, and adaptability is human. Messy, creative, imperfect. Human. The reframe. The fear of AI replacing you isn't about technology. It's about identity. It's about control. It's about uncertainty. You don't fear machines. You fear becoming invisible. But the answer isn't panic. It's evolution. You don't compete with machines by becoming mechanical. You stay relevant by becoming more human, more creative, more strategic, more emotionally intelligent, more adaptable. The world will change. It always has. The real question isn't, will AI replace me? It's, am I ready to grow with the shift? If you're ready to understand the psychology behind modern fear, subscribe to the Shadow Mindset. We don't fear the future. We decode it.